and welcome to the B4Life.Institute. Today we want to tell you more about development engineering. We will go to a site called Pagoda Smart Farm. But first of all, who are we? The B4Life.Institute is a platform for discovery, learning, and innovation. We approach problem solving in a unique way. We also approach learning in a unique way. In other words, learning is led by problems. Once you identify a problem, how do you learn how to solve it and develop an innovation around that particular problem? But first of all, where are we? We are currently at Kisii County in a village called Bogusero. Where the signboard is on the Kisumu-Kisii highway. Kisumu is on my left side, and you can use this road to go all the way to Uganda. While on my right side, on this main road, you can go to Kisii and all the way to Tanzania. So the Pagoda Smart Farm, which is a hub of the B4Life.Institute, is 500 meters from this main road as you go inward within this village that we call Bogusero. And we want to use the Pagoda Smart Farm to illustrate how we approach solving these problems that you find in communities. For example, within this community that we call Bogusero, there's a lot of gold. People are doing mining, but the challenge is that many people are actually leaving farming to go into mining, and that may cause food security in the future. So at the Pagoda Smart Farm, we are developing an innovation to address this challenge where we are likely to face food insecurity in the future because people are migrating from farming into mining. And we are deliberately putting the word there, smart, for a reason, because we want to use technology to be able to study our problems and also apply technology to solve those problems that we face in the community. Now, we are not just talking about agriculture. The B4Life.Institute has 10 different domains where we identify problems, learn those problems, and design solutions for solving those problems. So apart from agriculture, we are also talking about education. For example, we know that in the higher education sector, they're having many challenges. How can we approach education in a different way, in a unique way, where we actually use technology to solve many of the educational challenges that we face? We also have the domain of energy. We have to worry about, do people have power? Right now there is the war in Iran. It is affecting energy prices. It is affecting what we do. So at the B4Life.Institute, we also want to develop innovative solutions that solve the energy challenges that we currently have. There are also other domains. We are talking about health, we are talking about governance, we are talking about manufacturing, we are talking about mining itself, we are talking about security, we are talking about trade. And so when you check our website, when you check our platform, you will see that we have categorized the main challenges that face humanity, that face communities, into 10 different domains. But at the Pagoda Smart Farm, you will see a unique way of approaching farming, particularly when you have small pieces of land and you are far away from a river. Our concern is to ensure that even though there are other opportunities that are related to mining, how can we still maintain food security despite the high population that you find in areas that you find in areas such as Kisii, and particularly in Bogusero, where we have seen an influx of immigrants because of opportunities related to mining. We hope that you will enjoy our tour, and welcome to the B4Life.Institute. There is much more that you will find in that platform of the B4Life.Institute. Thank you and welcome. Join me in the journey to the Pagoda Smart Farm.